We'll guide you through how to upload files in monday.com. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, launch Google Chrome or any web browser of your choice, and make sure you have a stable internet connection before accessing monday.com. Once your browser is ready, go to monday.com by entering the website address into the address bar and waiting for the homepage to load completely. Click Go to My Account to open the sign-in page and access your workspace. Choose the login method you want to use. For this example, sign in with your email address. Enter your email address in the required field and verify that it is entered correctly before proceeding. Next, type your password into the password field associated with your account. After reviewing your login credentials and confirming that the information is correct, click Login to access your monday.com account and continue to your workspace. Once you have successfully signed in, select the board that you want to use and make sure you are working in the correct board before continuing. To upload files, first add a Files column by clicking the plus icon on the right side of the existing columns. Select Files from the available column types to add a dedicated column for uploading and managing files. You have now successfully added a Files column to your board, making it ready to store and manage file attachments for your tasks. To upload a file, click the Files column to open the available upload options. Choose the upload option according to your needs. For this example, select from Computer to locate and upload a file directly from your computer. Select the file that you want to upload. For this example, choose an image file. Click Open to upload the selected file to your monday.com board and attach it to the selected item. You have now successfully uploaded the file to your monday.com board, and it is ready to be accessed whenever needed. To preview the uploaded file, hover your cursor over the file or click the file to open the preview according to your preference and verify that the correct file was uploaded.